Welcome to 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. CM Goa aims to be global green tourism hotspot. Amarnath Yatra is making significant contribution to tourism, employment generation and revenue. LG Sinha. Raigarh hillslide rescue operations called off. Toll at 27. Landslide leads to disruption in traffic movement on Pune-Mumbai Expressway. Bed and breakfast policy to promote agro-tourism. MIM. Up government to begin helicopter service connecting Lucknow to Prayagraj. Kapilvastu. Maharashtra may take back 5 airports leased to Anil Ambani due to poor maintenance and non-payment of dues. India-Indonesia should establish rich religious, cultural, and history theme-based tourism plan. Ambassador of Indonesia. Grow your travel business with TravServer. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Travel and Hospitality News. Use your full potential to develop and grow your travel business with TravServer CRM.